Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Erica. How are you? I'm so happy to be with you today. Today, we are going to read a story all about barnyard animals, animals that we see on the farm. Are you ready for my book? First, I'm going to read and then show you the picture. I live on a farm. Who am I? Do you see the red barn? Let's keep reading. I have a curly tail and love to play in the mud. Who am I? A curly tail and loves to play in the mud. It's a pig. Pig loves to play in the mud and they have curly tails. I have a wool coat and say, "Ba, ba." What animal has a woolly coat and says, "Ba, ba"? A sheep. That's right. Hi, Mr. Sheep. Okay, next animal. I wiggle and waddle and have web feet. Who am I? What animal wiggles and waddles and lives on the farm? It's a duck. Hi, little duck. Okay, are you ready for the next animal? This one's a little hard, but I'm going to help. I have a shaggy beard and long horns. Who am I? This animal says, "Bleat, bleat." Do you know what the animal is? It's a goat. Hi, Mr. Goat. Okay, I know you know this animal. I can bark and wag my tail. Who am I? What animal barks? Woof, woof, woof. A dog, that's right. Sometimes we see dogs on a farm. Okay, next animal. I have a mane of hair on my neck and I like to eat hay. Who am I? It's a horse. Hi, horse. Okay, next animal. I say moo, and you can get milk from me. Who am I? What animal goes moo, and we drink milk from this animal? It's a cow. Hi, cow. Okay, next animal. I can lay eggs. Who am I? What animal on the farm do we know that lays eggs? It's a chicken. Hi, chicken. Okay. Next animal. I crow at sunrise. I say, cock-a-doodle-doo. Who am I? It's a rooster. It looks a little bit like a chicken, but we see that this has a dark feathers, dark brown feathers, and a black tail. That's how we know it's a rooster. The end. That's my story. I hope you liked looking at farm animals. Do you want to play a game? Yeah? Okay, me too. Let's practice. What animal goes woof, woof, woof? A dog. A dog goes woof, woof, woof. Awesome job. Okay, we learned about this animal in my story. It has horns, a beard, and says bleat, bleat. It's a Goat. Hi, goat. Okay. Ooh, I love this one. This animal goes, neigh, neigh. Do you know what the animal is that goes, neigh, neigh? It's a horse. Awesome job, everyone. Okay, are you ready for this animal? It's pink and goes, oink, oink. It's pink like my shirt. Pink and goes, oink, oink. It's a pig. That's right. Okay, here's one of my favorites. This animal is yellow and says, quack, quack, quack. That's right, it's a duck. Hi, duck. Okay, this animal we learned in our story has a big woolly coat and says, ba, ba. What animal? It's a sheep. Hi, sheep. Okay, we have two more animals. The next animal goes cluck, 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 and lays eggs. Do you know the animal? It's a chicken. That's right. Okay, my last animal. We get milk from this animal, and this animal says, moo, moo. That's right, it's a cow. Great job. Ah, this was so much fun. Thanks for looking at farm animals with me. I'll see you next time.